Jose the Christian Cat. Jose was a lonely cat, not yet born, but he was born and wandered about the world, and he was Christian. Jose grew old and grew a brain and wondered about the earth. So he went to a religion because science was not yet invented, and neither was Spanish. Jose went to drugs, and he needed a savior because his religion was not working. Jose became Christian and quit drugs. But one day, Jose ate too many mice and gained weight. Jose lost weight through exercise, and Jose became a good Christian.